You're searching for how to buy shares of Peapack-Gladstone Financial Corporation, a regional bank holding company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PGC. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds to purchase shares. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PGC to find Peapack-Gladstone Financial Corporation. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm it's the correct asset. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker PGC before continuing. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, choose Order Settings, and review the total cost and any fees. If the market is closed, your order will be queued until trading reopens. And if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.